Well, welcome to another training session on how to use LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM. In this video, we're going to be talking about another advanced functionality or feature of LogixOne Operator, and that is its ability to log your field service or your operator's activities. So it's quite easy to access that. All you do is click this little icon here next to the map icons. It looks like a little book. It's called Operator Log. If you click that, you'll then be in the Operator Log window. You can see here on the left-hand side, you can filter by operators. So I can just say, okay, only show me operator number 1. And then set periods that you want to do, such as between a date range or a period. You can select from predetermined date ranges. Okay, so I'll just click operator number 1 and click apply filter. And then you'll see there, it will show me operator number 1. Let's just clear that and actually go back to all operators. So you can see under the all operators, you can see now on the right hand side, I have all my operators. And you can also see that some of these operators have no activity. Okay, so you can see there. So if you want to, you can actually hide those no activity operators. So you can see that there. We'll just show them again. Yeah, you can hide them. The holding operator is a good example, because if this is the operator that we've used just to put temporary jobs before we assign those or to the actual operator, so they've got no activity. All of the information that's logged here comes from the operator field device, so the actual LogixOne Operator app, which is accessible by the operator's Android or iOS device. Okay, so you can see here, well, obviously on this date range chosen, if I click on operator number 1, you can see here, here's all of the operator log information. It's broken down by date. So you can see here, it's broken down into days. So for this month period, you can see here, this is February the 14th, which was yesterday. You can see we had a check-in, a stop shift, a start shift, and so on. If there's you'll also notice that you've got this little red icon for the location that the actual log occurred. You can actually click that to see what that is. So you can actually check where your operators are actually carrying on, where they started shift, where they stopped shift, where they actually checked in for a job. You'll also notice that if there's a check-in for a job, you can actually click and open the underlying Zoho CRM job card or the underlying Zoho CRM sales order. So I'll do that. And so here you go. This will open up that actual jobs sales order details, which are here. Okay, and you can see who the operator is for that, and the customer, and all that information is basically there. But you can also, if there's been an invoice generated, you can also actually open the underlying Zoho CRM invoice that's relevant to that job event. All right, so you can see here, here's that job event, here's the operator, here's the job completed location, here's the check-in location. All of the completed job information is actually included in the final invoice that gets completed. Okay, so this is a great way for you to monitor what your operators are doing. Now, you can also use this to manage things like payroll, because what you can do is export this report. Okay, and we'll let that open. And we'll open up Excel. And there you go. There's all that information. So you would then be able to export or import this into a payroll system. And if you've got a dedicated payroll system and you'd like us to look at integrating it directly, we may be able to help you do that. Just reach out to us directly. But yeah, now you could import this into your payroll system, just determining start and stop shift times for given periods. So that's a handy feature right there. All right, so that's quite a quick training video on how to use the operator log that exists inside LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM. Okay, again, if you have any questions whatsoever, best way to do that is to click this little button down here where you can get access to us. You can chat directly with us. If you go to the home, you'll see there's a bunch of training videos here on how to use LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM. You can go to the knowledge base, or you can actually submit a ticket. So if you'd like us to jump in and give you a bit of a run through on your system, then quite easy to do. Click this link, go into tickets, and then maybe create a ticket for yourself, and we'll get that in our help desk. Alrighty, so that's basically it. Thanks very much for watching.